Hello everybody and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. This week we're putting the grotto all the way into Throttle Grotto. Find out why. Alright everybody, so as you can tell, I don't have any lights in the garage right now. It's pretty dark in here and I have no idea why. So a little backstory, I had some work done on the crawl space in the house yesterday, and while those guys were here, they had this electrical cord, and they called me and said, this electrical cord doesn't have any power to it. And I'm like, are you sure about that? And they're like, yeah, we plugged in our machine, and it doesn't work. I'm like, okay. So they ended up using the house power and did their job. And I came out to the shop and turned the lights on in here. And I heard one of the lights explode. These are all LEDs in here, by the way. And then the rest of them don't really work very well. Like, let's see, let's turn these on, see if you can see what's happening here. So that one over there works. Sometimes if I flick them on and off, now here's where it gets funny. So that one over there, these are all on the same switch. All the ceiling outlets here are on the same switch. So if I turn that one on, and then I turn on the one over above the bike shop, it doesn't turn on until I turn off so it doesn't turn on. Like, I have that, I turn on the bike shop side, I get nothing. I turn off this side, that light goes on. Oh, this is so good. So what's going on in here? So with this circuit turned on, I probed the outlet with my multimeter, and I have 37 volts coming through the system, which is why none of the lights work. So I'm not sure what happened. And I think I also have 37 volts at the outlets. Let me check here real quick. I'm just going to put this into the... So that is 202 volts in the in the power cord. So I don't know why the LED my LED work light did not blow to smithereens. But yesterday I melted all of my chargers. I had them all plugged into this power strip, and yeah, my snap-on battery charger is now basically a brick. I don't know if my Porter cable one is a brick, but yeah. So I got 37 volts at the outlets in the ceiling, and I have 200 at the outlets. So needless to say, I'm not plugging anything in the shop anytime soon. And the soonest I can get an electrician out here is November. So I'm not entirely sure. I think my garage door opener is okay. I unplugged that hopefully before it got nuked. So unfortunately, I don't have any electricity in my garage for the next month. I have one light that works, and I'm hesitant to really come out here and do any work, put any load on the system at all, because... So I'm sure it's not going to be a cheap fix, and fortunately I already have an electrician scheduled, but until I get an electrician out here to rewire this panel, because this panel is pretty sketchy. I need to have this replaced anyway. I don't think I'm going to be able to make any more videos out here because we're getting into the dark time of the year and I'm going to be working a little bit more at work. So I won't have any power in the garage or any lights, or can't run any power tools because I will blow them. I will blow them all up as soon as I plug them in. So, but I will keep you guys updated as to what I find out, and hopefully I have a solution for this soon. So until next time, get out there and work on something.